Step number 1. Open a browser. Step number 2. Do the same work that I will show you. Step number 3. Get paid. In today's video, I will show you how you can earn $100 per hour. If you stay until the end of the video, I will show you how to make more money without doing the work yourself. But, disclaimer, this will not work for you if you're too lazy to follow and watch the entire video. You must follow every step shown in this video. You can see payment proofs. There are hundreds of people making money on this website every single day. The best part is it's 100% free. You don't need any investment at all to do this. And this is also available worldwide. You don't need to sell anything. You don't need social media follower. This is one of the easiest and fastest ways to make money online. Anyone from anywhere in the world can make money. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, YouTube will notify you so that you will be the first to know about a strategy, tips and tricks so that you will start making real money fast than others. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you stay towards the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a bonus that will allow you to make even more money. And also, comment down below what country you are in right now. I want to know because in that way, I will know exactly where you're from. So in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below now. First of all, you go over to this website, which is called ptcshare.com. But don't go straight to the website and try to figure it out on your own. Because that way, you will waste your time and you will probably not make any money. But don't worry. In this video, I will show you step by step how to use this website so that you can maximize your results to earn more money on complete autopilot. You can see it here, PTC Share is more than just a paid to click. Tons of ways to earn money for free. You can see it here. They have over 400,000 registered users. This website is secure, transparent, and sustainable. You can read it here. Our website is supported by a high-quality secure system, which makes sure all your information remains safe. All transactions made on our platform can be tracked. Follow every single order you've made with us. We have designed a sustainable system based on real revenues made by real products. You can check the statistics here. You can see over here the number of registration during the last 30 days. They are getting over 500 members every day. You can see the number of active accounts during the last 30 days. They have over 14,000 daily active members. You can also check profit during last 30 days. You can see here the payment proofs. You can see the time and the date where people cash out real money on this website. They're being paid through different payment options. Now take a look at these numbers right here. Now, these are the money that people are receiving with this website. And you have all of these pages that contain hundreds of users that have been making money with this website. You can also see it here. Top 48 hours earners and last cash outs. You can earn for sharing your payment proof with this website. As you can see, they say that please help us show the public that we do in fact pay. And we'll add 200 BAP to your account for every payment proof, which you can exchange for dollars. So the very first step you're going to do is click on the sign up button. That takes you to this page right here. Now all you're going to do is enter in your username. Enter a strong password. Repeat this password. Enter your email. Repeat it again. Solve this CAPTCHA. Click on this terms of the service box and click on the create account button. So the next is, once you have logged into your account, you will get full access to the dashboard. You can keep track of your balance. You can see how many BAPs you have, how many apps you have, and so on. Now here on this homepage you will also be able to claim different bonuses if you want to, so I recommend you scroll over through the dashboard so you can explore the website and see all of the features that it has to offer for you. Now you're going to do is come up here, click on earn, and then click on view ads. Once you do that, you're going to have access to this page. Once you get to this page, you're going to have a huge collection of a bunch of different ads that you're going to click on. Sometime you get real money, sometime you get BAPs. But don't worry, I told you before that you can exchange it for dollars. The payouts are very small, but they're easy to do. When you click on the view activation ad, it will open a page. Then after a few seconds, solve a CAPTCHA and you will get paid for it. So the next step is I want to show you that's really cool. Click on Earn again, and there's something called Click Grid. Click on that, and you will land on this page. And each time you click on the box, they will open up the ad, which you will need to watch. As soon as you watch the ad, you will get credited real money. Therefore, you will get paid a lot more than the previous one. The best thing is, you can click on all of those boxes. And each time you click on each of those boxes, you will get paid. Which is really cool, because you're not doing any of the hard work. And this requires no previous experience. You can see it here. Click to win up to $10 100,000 BAP. Click Grid is easy to play. Just click anywhere on the picture and win up to $10 or 100,000 BAP points that go directly to your account balance. Each click will open up a sponsor's site that you will have to view for up to 30 seconds. After this time has passed, you will know if you are a winner or not. Just click on any box, then it will open a page. Then solve a CAPTCHA and do this same task with all the boxes. So as a bonus tip, I want to show you a complete autopilot method. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Hit the like button and also comment down below what country you are in right now. In that way, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So let's get right into the video. Once you click on your username, that will show this Refer Friends section right here. Click on it and you will land on this page. As you see, this is my referral link. When anyone clicks on this link and registers for a free account and starts watching ads and earning money, I'm going to earn 3% of whatever they earn. Many people all over the world are doing these same things. Just copy this link and share it with your friends, family and relative. But this will not benefit you. You need to refer actual people who will click ads every day for you. But how to find them? Don't worry. I will show you which website you can use to attract targeted people who will click for you, so you can make money on complete autopilot. Now go to facebook.com and join the Make Money Online group. And paste your link with an attractive title. And you will get targeted people who make money so that you will earn 3% of their earnings on complete autopilot. That's it for today's video. But wait, if you want to know how you can make $250 easily, watch this video.